Hi, sixth graders. Welcome to your third week of distance learning, April 20th through the 24th. Here are your slides for the week with some explanation from me. Humor. Got to add some humor in, right, everybody? Here are important details about your week, including Zoom meeting links and what days I will be on Zoom this week. Here is our contest of the week. Last week, Simon won our contest for posting a good thing to Flipgrid. He had that delivered to his porch on Sunday. This week, the contest is anyone who visits the Padlet whiteboard gets entered into a drawing for a Sonic drink of your choice. You have to remember you have to sign your name to the post so that I know who posts to the whiteboard. When you go to the Padlet screen, you click the plus sign in the bottom right corner. Here's your link. Here's the whiteboard this week with the question. Looks like a couple people have already entered before I even got started. But like this person was anonymous, so that won't go into the entry. And also I'm going to delete it because don't put I don't know. Like if you have a response, nothing isn't a response, and I don't know isn't a response. But like I like Laz's, he says spend time with my mom that works at the hospital, and so that's awesome. Thanks, Laz, for having a good example on there for us. So you would click the plus sign if you want to do your own post. If you do that, then you can write something here. You could put your name here, and then you could write your entry. It's up to you. All right, so that's going on all week. I'll draw on Friday afternoon. Remember, every day I give you instructions as to what you're going to work on. This week you're going to be doing a lot of reading, so in your book, and touch base with me. I do have about 25 copies of the book that I would be happy to loan out. I just would have to go get them from school. I'm happy to do that. So if that's something you want, let me know. Otherwise, anytime you have reading assigned, you're going to come to your Bully Free project and you're going to go, I think I'll look at it through a student. So maybe today I'll use Brody. Just because Brody, your name came to my mind. So here's Bully Free project. And then the things that you need as far as reading goes is going to be under Checkpoint 1 resources. So here, the digital books, I wouldn't go there anymore because now we have a waiting list for the book. You can listen to me read aloud right here. This is a link for Checkpoint 1. There was an incorrect link on that activity. Here is a digital copy of Ghost. When you click that, it's going to take you to a Google folder that I'm making because I'm adding in the digital text a little bit at a time. So right now I have these chapters done and I'll be working more on that. Okay. And then if you want to listen to me read it aloud, this will take you, and I'm going to do some more reading today, so I'll have some more chapters on today. This will take you to my read alouds. And this is also a read aloud link on YouTube. So you can also listen to the chapter there. So you have several options. But again, let me know if you're interested in having a copy of the book. I'm happy to get those and bring them to you. Okay, remember you have your journal entries to do every day, and you should share those with me every day because that lets me know that you've touched base with your work for the day. All right, on Tuesday, you're going to make sure you're caught up with reading, and you're going to work in your character diary, which is Checkpoint 2. When you go to Checkpoint 2, you have this slideshow. That's your character diary. Please look at it carefully. I have instructions on the first 7 slides. Slide 7 is an example that I did that you can look at. So you have, let's see here. Today you're going to be working on slide 9 because last week you did your first entry on chapters 1 and 2. And Brody has a good example. She already has this done. So she did an image search of Coach Brody, and these were some images she found that made her think about Coach Brody. Nice that he has your same name, huh, Brody? So there's her example. So you'll be working on that slide 9. And yeah, I'm just making sure you're done with 8. And then I've got a brain break for you for, I think, about 3 days this week. Okay, another reminder about our contest, in case you had forgotten at that point in your week. Earth Day is on Wednesday. So we're going to have kind of a break from regular stuff. We're going to have a little Earth Day activity. Thursday, we're going to go back to our book and you're going to read chapter 5. And then I've got a quiz for you to take, so you'll click there. And that'll take you to just a little comprehension quiz on chapters. I think it's over chapters 2 and 3. And then on Friday, we're going to go back to checkpoint 2, which is your character diary. And you're going to work on slide 10, which would be your second entry. And that's going to be anything over chapters 3 to 5. And then you are going to be done for the week. Remember that I will do that drawing for the contest on Friday afternoon, so make sure you're entered by then. Let me know of questions that you have, and I hope you have a great week.